Introducing Column Sentry, exclusively from Sentry Protection Products, the incredibly tough, highly visible, and surprisingly cost-effective protection for buildings, equipment, and especially people. Molded from a semi-flexible, stress crack-resistant plastic, Column Sentry equalizes the force of tow motor impact with 24 pockets strategically placed around its circumference. Each is angled to help deflect impact energy away from the column. The inside vent holes forces air out at a controlled rate, deflating slowly and maintaining impact resistance. Column Sentry can be installed quickly and easily by one person in seconds. Simply position the two halves of Column Sentry around the column and fasten the Velcro straps. Column Sentry is available in different profiles to fit your particular column sizes. Now let's hear from two experts in the field, Rick Johnson, Site Supervisor for Millennium Inorganic Chemical, and Joe Roller, Vice President for Hughes & Roller Building Company.
Fellows that work for me, the material handlers, have expressed a great appreciation for the column protectors because of the fact that they can now see the column so much easier. I didn't see this column. The damage that you see here was before we had the Column Sentry. Didn't see the column, and I ran square into it with an 8,000-pound forklift. Fortunately, I didn't get hurt, and neither did the forklift, but we pretty well damaged this column. I think they're well worth the cost. One lost time injury can be very expensive to a company. I mean, when you're talking about lost productivity, medical costs, repair bills, besides the fact that we want our people to be able to go home from work every day the same way they came.
Some companies choose to use concrete to protect their columns. I wouldn't recommend it. The 2-day installation process and routine painting can really upset production schedules. Concrete protects the column, but can cause significant damage to the tow motor and injury to the operator. Try hitting concrete versus the cushioned Column Sentry and you'll notice a difference.
Column Sentry eliminates downtime and is maintenance-free. It can go places where concrete would be impossible to use. If your company moves, Column Sentry moves with you. Just pick it up and go. But most importantly, Column Sentry is far safer for your equipment, your workers, and costs a fraction of column replacement. According to the Industrial Truck Association, nearly 10% of tow motor trucks in the U.S. will be involved in an accident this year. And during their useful life, almost 2/3 of all tow motors will be involved in some type of accident. According to OSHA's data, there are over 68,000 powered industrial truck accidents each year in general industry. There are more than 95,000 injuries per year. Each non-fatal injury carries with it an average of 6 workdays lost. Add the cost of sick pay, medical insurance claims, equipment repair costs, higher insurance rates, and operating costs, and Column Sentry becomes an even greater value. It's a one-time insurance investment that protects your building, your equipment, and your employees. Call your Sentry Protection Products rep or your local distributor rep for more information.